In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to start a free Shopify trial for your brand. So first go to Google, then search up Shopify free trial. Once you're here, you want to click Start Shopify free trial. Basically, they did unfortunately remove the 90-day free trial. However, they do have this. You can first try Shopify for free for 3 days, no credit card required. Then for the next month, you can enjoy an entire month of it for just $1. So to start it, click Start Free Trial. Then you want to sign up. So I'm just going to sign up with Google. Then you want to put one of your emails. So I'm just going to click this one. Then click Continue. Then you can just answer these questions. I'm just going to click Next since it doesn't matter to me. Then once you're here, you can decide on the best plan for you. So you basically get $1 for 1 month. And then after you just pay the normal plan. So I'm just going to say skip. And there we go. I have officially bought Shopify and now I get 3 days for free. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe. But for now, goodbye.